Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Today I will be drawing a bird on a branch to practice using space in art. Follow along as I get started. Beginning with a pencil, I will use steps 1 through 6 to help me draw a bird. In step 1, I just draw a curved line like a backward C. I draw this large so that my bird fills most of the paper. Step 2 is drawing a teardrop shape for the wing, and then just a straight line to connect the back of the head. Step 3 is drawing a line like a rectangle for the bird's tail feather. In step 4, I add the legs and feet, and lastly in step 5, I add an eye and beak. I finish up with step 6 just to add extra details and textures on my bird. With my bird drawing complete, I'll use a marker or Sharpie to outline all of my hard work. That's just one way I can see my art easier when I'm all finished. To create space, or a sense of depth in my picture, I will draw a branch and I will use overlapping to make it look like the bird is on top of the branch. A background is another great way to show space in your artwork. Follow along to see how I use my drawing supplies to add a cool and creative background. I really want to emphasize my bird, or make it stand out from everything else in my artwork. So I'm going to use texture plates while I color the bird. Follow along to see how I use the texture plates to add really fun patterns and decorations to the feathers of my bird. With that all done, enjoy as I use my drawing supplies to color the rest of my background. I colored my bird entirely in crayon, so I'm going to use colored pencil in my background, just as another trick to make my bird stand out from everything else. Enjoy! This art challenge was great practice in using overlapping to show space. Remember that space is a sense of depth in your artwork, meaning it looks like you could actually walk right into your picture. This is a great trick for artists to be able to use to make their artwork look more interesting and fun for their viewers. Happy making, artists, and enjoy!